Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Vidu AI. In order to do so, first off you want to make sure that you're logged in at vidu.studio, and once you are, up at the top right hand corner you'll see the section where you have your credits, and if you're on the free plan it should say free. We're going to go ahead and click that, and that's going to bring up our subscription plans. You can see here that you could select from the options, and if you select subscribe now, then your plan will default to wherever it says current plan. That is the subscription that you have selected. So if you want to cancel your subscription after you have set that up, then you will see under free the option to subscribe now. So if you just click on that, then whichever subscription you have will default to the free plan and you will have canceled your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.